Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. If you're a returning subscriber, karibu tena. And if you're new, kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join this amazing family. So on today's video, I want to share with you guys 3 dinner ideas that you can make with the simplest ingredients. But before then, let me share with you guys a short shopping haul for the week. So let me do a quick weekly shopping haul. We have these wipes, baby wipes. This is what we use, and then a jab for the chapati, and then matoke, popo. I'm forgetting the name of this. Yeah, it's popo. And then we have these capsicums of green, yellow, and a red one here. And I've used some to cook today. And then we have tomatoes. We have some in the fridge. This is just kuongezea. And then this is pineapples, 3 of them. And then I have minches, 2 bunches. I'm making dinner, so let's do that. So for dinner, I'm making matoke, and I have a mixture of green bananas and potatoes. And then I have domas here. This is garlic and ginger. And then this is a mixture of a lot of things: dania, beetroot, green, yellow capsicum, green capsicum. There's red capsicum somewhere, and tomatoes. Yeah, and then onions, the spring onions and the red onions, and I'm waiting for that meat to boil and then we cook. Alright, so for the second day, we are gonna have chapati with green peas mixed with potatoes and beef, but I didn't include the chapati recipe here because I've done a whole different video. I think it was my second or third video on this channel, but I'm gonna leave a link on the description box so that you guys can get to watch it. So enjoy. So for the third one and the last one, you're going to be making ugali, chicken, and some greens. So for my ugali, I usually add a little bit of blue band to make it taste better. And then for the chicken, I added a salt, a turmeric for the color, and then some oregano. And then for the greens, I'm also the type of people that cook greens with nyanya or tomatoes. Yeah, I can't eat greens without the tomatoes in my house. Maybe in another place. Yeah, so enjoy.